Everyone, my name is Aditya. I study in Campion School in class 8, and this is my Google Sheets certification course. So we had to create a Google Sheet with this information: student number, student name, the class, the book ID, the book name, the category, the rent per day, the date issued, the number of days, uh, and the total amount. We have to calculate the total amount by multiplying rent per day into number of days. So number of days is 5 here. Oh, sorry, rent per day is 5 rupees here, and the number of days is 8. So the cost I put it as is equal to the cell G2 and this into this multiplied by the cell H2. And as you can see, I've also added a validation in these cells as you would have seen just now. Anyways, so and then what you can do is do this to copy the formula downwards into the other cells, but it changes the cell addresses as down it gets. For example, another one, 10 rupees, 7 days gives you 70 rupees. So validations or the day number of days cannot be. So if I click on this cell, as you can see the validation is here. I did that by clicking insert uh, sorry data validation, and then so I had selected all at that time, but for now it is so I saying that a student can't borrow a book for more than 20 days and it can't be less than one. So it says enter number of days between 1 and 20. So save, and as you can see all of the days are between 1 and 20. Also, we have to use formatting. As you can see, I've formatted and put cell borders. We have to merge cells. As you can see, I've merged cells. Calculation basic formula. Uh, Data validation is as I just showed you. Conditional formatting. Let me try to remember which cell I put it in. Format, conditional formatting. Yeah, so if the cell is not empty, it goes to green. If this cell, if cell is empty, it will stay as green, and as I just changed it, if cell is not empty, it goes to green. So supposing I make the cell empty, so it turns green, and supposing I type happy again, it goes back to red. So sorting and filtering can be done like this. It's actually very simple. I have to click this, and then as you can see filter, there's already a filter. So if I click here for example, or if I unclick these and then click OK, as you can see all the number of days in which I wasn't there were removed, and supposing I re-click them, they reappear. And there's also like sorting like A to Z. So as you can see, it's sorted it from 1 to 8, and supposing I do 8 A to Z in this column, it will go in order, and as you can see all the data stays the same. For example, in this case Ini is fiction and number 1. So supposing I sorted A to Z, Ini comes at the top. So thank you for watching. uh, this is my Google Sheets certification video.